Experience was very good. It was quite informative. There were many concepts that were cleared in this session, which were very nice. And I wish I will attend more of these sessions in future. His knowledge is above everyone. He has the answers to each and every question.
That was something I got to know. What religion is seeing and what we are seeing is very different. There is a different aspect towards it, and there is a scientific and logical reasoning behind each and everything. Why there is a no towards one thing, why there is a yes towards a different thing.
આજના સેશનમાં જેટલા ક્વેશ્ચન હતા એના એકદમ પરફેક્ટ, એકદમ ક્લેરિટી સાથેના બધા આન્સર મળ્યા. યુથને આમાં બને એટલું જોડાવા જેવું છે, કારણ કે આટલું ક્લિયર વિઝન તમને બહુ રેર જોવા મળશે ને. એટલે તમે બધા ખાસ પધારો. પેરેન્ટ્સ બધા તમારા હમણાંના નવા જનરેશન જેટલા સાથે